Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be part of my one palette series, and today we're going to be featuring this palette, which is a Naked Basics palette, and well, the Naked 2 Basics palette, and this is how it looks. I used to use this palette my sophomore year of college, which is 2016, I think. No, 2015, 2016. That was my sophomore year. I would use this palette all the time when we would go out or if I just wanted to do my makeup that day, and I thought I'll bring it back because even though the Naked Basic palettes are not that popular anymore, well, at least the Naked 2 one, I just thought, I don't know, I used to love this palette. It's kind of nostalgic for me, so I wanted to use it in today's video. And it's cool tones, and lately I've been doing only warm tones all the time because that is my new thing. I love warm tones. I feel like they look the best on me, so that's why I always do warm tones. But cool tones had to look good on me, right? Back in the day, I would always wear it. But anyways, that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be around this palette. So I hope you guys enjoy. I upload videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So I hope you guys are liking that upload schedule. Leave any recommendations or any comments you have or anything down below. In the description bar, I'll leave everything that I use on my face because I already did my base. I just didn't do the powder version, but I did all the cream version and I powdered my face already. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get into this video so you guys can see what makeup look I come up with. Of course, it's gonna be simple and quick. That's gonna be my slogan for this channel, simple and quick. So I'm really excited to film with this. I'm just excited to film because I've been in a weird mood lately. So I'm just excited to film, and I love filming. So to start off with the transition shades, because this, if you look at this palette, it's mostly transition shades, and then it has a black, which is amazing. And this does have a mirror. It's dirty, but I like how this little palette comes with a mirror because it's very travel friendly. We're going to start off with the transition shade, which is Cover. If it would focus, this color right here. Nope, this one right there. We're gonna go in with my next brush and we're gonna just pop that into my crease. It's a brush is really good for putting a transition shade because it's fluffy and it's not super dense, so it just fans out the color. And this is a number 16 brush. So I know I mentioned in my last video that I was gonna put my new lens that zooms up all the way, but I want to do that for more detailed looks because today is not that detailed. But my next video, I'm actually going to do the Lorac Mega 2 palette, which was, I'm pretty sure, my first luxury palette, or maybe my second, because I think the Naked 2 was my first, but not this one, the big one. But yeah, so that should be interesting. What I do notice is that you see it's looking kind of gray, but in the palette it looks really brown. Well, kind of more brown, it's a cool tone brown, but it looks gray. But it's okay because this is just a different look, you know? But anyways, back to what I was saying about the lens. I'm gonna only do it for more detailed looks because this one, I promise you, it's so basic. But I like putting out basic looks because sometimes you do your everyday look, but then you get tired of it and then you want a simple look to continue, but you don't have the idea. So I like to make videos for everybody. So I'm gonna take, not this brush, I'm actually gonna take this one, my Morphe M443, and we're gonna go into this one, Primal. And this is going to deepen up your outer corner, and that's where I'm placing the color.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just want to know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you?
Now we're gonna go into Frisk on my lid. All over my lid. Oh, that was really loud. All over my lid, we're gonna put Frisk, and I'm gonna use my Sephora 22 brush. And this color is a gray type of color. But I used to be obsessed veins with this color. And I would always use it this way. I would always put it on my lid. I have a question for you guys. Do you guys know of like a eyeshadow primer or a concealer that is super full coverage that when you put it on your lid you can't see your veins? Because the Tarte Shape Tape, you can see my veins. Basically any concealer I have, you can see my veins. So please leave your suggestions down below. I really do need help with that, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but you guys can see my veins and it's really annoying. Whoa, I had to do my mustache. Don't look. Oh, I'm loving this. It's giving me like Halloween vibes, but not like the basic like orange black vibes. It's like gray tones. I'm loving it. But yeah, we're gonna just keep building up that lid shade. I'm gonna do my lower lash line with this brush, and this is the Makeup Geek Eye Blender brush. It doesn't have a number, but it's really old. I'm gonna go in with the cover shade that I used before. You can say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. This one is not working out. That brush is too thick. So I'm going to try this one. I'm going to go in with, I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, a brow brush. But I'm just going to like stamp it. I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away, but I keep coming back to you. But we're going to go in with Stark. And I'm going to put a little bit there. Just to bring some color. As you can see, it brings just a little bit of color, because I'm going to put the shimmer shade. So for my brow bone color, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. And I'm going to go into Stark, but only a little bit because I don't want it to be stark white. And just put it in my brow bone, just to make the look a little bit more complete, you know. Now I'm going to go into Skimp, which is the first shade here. There, you guys can see it better. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. It has a little bit of a shimmer and it's like a creamy white color. But this shimmer is actually not even that vibrant. I have to say, what I'm noticing from using this, formula's gotten so much better with eyeshadow. It's like crazy. Because this eyeshadow palette is not crazy pigmented, but I do like how my lid shades are looking. But this shimmer shade is not even like legit. But everything else looks pretty good. You have to build it up. Yeah. When you build up the shimmer, it's better. And I'm not going to wet it because, as you guys know, I don't really like wetting my eyeshadows. But if you want to, by all means, I'm not going to judge. I'm going to go in with my M443 brush, and I'm going to go into Undone, which is the black. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. brush I was using and go into Undone first, and then I'm going to blend it out with my M433 brush. I'm going to go in with that, where's that brush I was using? That NYX brush I started using for the transition, and whatever's left over, I'm just going to buff out. I'm going to zoom you guys out now, just a little, and we're going to start doing the face portion. What I did already is my primer, foundation, concealer, cream contour, and I just powdered my face. And then you guys saw me do my eyeshadow, which I'm actually really digging. I like this. It really does remind me of like spooky vibes. So I'm going to use my Hourglass bronzer, Radiant Bronze Light. I'm going to use my Morphe brush. But I keep coming back to you. So now I'm going to use this little Sephora Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush brush to bronze my nose. So guys, right now it's 4:30 and I'm supposed to be cooking dinner tonight. Well, not supposed to. I have to cook dinner tonight. And then I have to edit my video and I have to walk my dogs. I should have started filming earlier today, but I woke up kind of in a weird mood, like I said. And now I'm like really relaxed. I'm telling you guys, doing my makeup literally calms me down and like, I don't know how to explain it. I just get like in a better mood like that. For my blush, we're going to be using the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush, and I love it. For a while there, I was only using like drugstore blushes, aka only Wet n Wild ones, and they're really good. It's like, they're a good formula. But the packaging, not so much. It's not luxury, but it's okay because the product is good. And the packaging is functional. It's not like it causes a huge problem when I'm doing my makeup. So, oh, by the way, I wanted to tell you guys that I'm going to continue using this in my videos, which is the Anastasia and AMREZY highlight, because it's coming back in December, so be on the lookout for it. And I know I have a pimple and I'm highlighting it, but I want to highlight today, so what was I gonna do? Oh, my mascara. I'm gonna be using, this is a new mascara that I just got yesterday. I got it because of a YouTuber, Tony Sebdalis. She said she really likes it, so I bought it because she has good recommendations. I got Essence Get Big, what? I can't read. I got the Essence Get Big Lashes 3 Triple Black.
Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you? You can say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away, but I keep coming back to you.
For lips, we're going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner and lipstick in Pumpkin. And what's more fitting than using pumpkin, because you know we are in October and Halloween is tomorrow, October 31st.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you? You can say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so.
This brings us to the end of the makeup look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was a very simple, quick look. I promise you this took me like 10 to 15 minutes to do. No longer. Like my eye look. Because it's just like washes of color and I just really like it. And with this lip color, first of all, I'm looking really pale in my monitor, but in real life, I do not look this pale. Like my foundation actually matches my chest in real life, yeah. I just look like this on the camera. I don't know why, but maybe it's the light, the ring light. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to kind of like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed me adventuring out with cool tones again and giving you guys a variety of looks. And I come out with videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so check out my channel on those days 3 times a week. This palette would be good as a daytime palette and a nighttime palette because it does have these two last colors. Whoa. These two last colors that you could deepen up the look with. But for today, we're going to start off with just what? I can't talk. Today